Sometimes surviving is better than succeeding. Just stop and start a laptop accessory business. After this year, I was going to quit design completely. This year has been the hardest and most transformative year of my life. I tried to grow my design career and I also tried to build a startup alongside it. Behind all of this, I felt very stuck. I even started having the thought of quitting design completely. When you're done with school, you have this feeling that, now you have like a lot of time to do whatever you want to do. You cannot have time to double down on your craft, which was like me as of the beginning of this year. But as time went on, everything started becoming slow because I didn't even know what I was doing anymore. I started feeling overwhelmed because suddenly design became huge. It was just like I had like a lot of things to learn. AI, blockchain, no-code tools. Design was just moving at a pace where it was hard for my brain to even process. So, when you're feeling overwhelmed like that, you start to question yourself. For me, I was saying something like, okay, maybe design is not for me. Because it was very overwhelming and doubt started to come in. The night where I was very sad and I was praying to God to show me the next step to take. After that phase, I made the decision that after this year, I was going to quit design completely and just stop and start like a laptop accessory business or computer accessory business. Sometimes surviving is better than succeeding. And I think there's a saying that also say like the grass looks greener on like the other side. But that was like my lowest, honestly. So I took a decision that I'm going to, take a step back from everything and start learning more about myself, start focusing on myself. So I also started working on my startup, which is Chainmove, and I also started posting on YouTube as well. So as I was posting on YouTube, I was basically just sharing everything I know. Although the mindset behind posting on YouTube was basically for me to just help anybody that is coming out or coming up in design. But then something shocking happened. So people started reaching out. I started getting DMs, emails and comments. My design has been a source of inspiration for them and it has helped them in their journey as a designer. That shock that came from those feedback, made me realize something, that even though I felt invisible, my design or my work wasn't invisible. So I've actually spent years working on this craft. And it also hit me that, many people that have gone forward to build great stuff, they didn't do that in the space of 2, 3 years or 5 years. Most of them have been doing this for like 5, 10, 15, 25 years to be able to get this much great impact they've actually had on this generation. So I was like, wait, at the end of the day, I'm not actually failing. At the end of the day, I'm just early. So if you're watching this and you're feeling stuck, behind or invisible, I just want to tell you that you're not alone. Your journey doesn't have to be perfect. Your journey doesn't have to be all rosy. It doesn't have to always have constant winning streaks. The best thing you can do for yourself is just to grow by showing up regularly. Show up unprepared, show up imperfect, confused. Just make sure you're showing up, because that's what I'm currently doing. Because at the end of the day, my journey or my story is just starting. That's not ended yet. So if this video spoke to you, just comment what you're struggling with and let's grow together.